Boy, do I have a treat for you. No, that's just way too much. There we go. That's better. Today, I had something special. So what are we doing today? Installing LED fog lights. Man, I like the look of these lights. Whoa. Let's fire it up, baby. Oh yeah, and if you're a visual learner like me, smash that subscribe button. Welcome to Big Daddy's house. My name is Adam, and thank you for stopping by or getting redirected by YouTube or Google or however that internet stuff happens. So I had this guy contact me, and he's an Amazon seller, and he sent me some LED fog lights. So let's see what's in the box. Packed pretty nicely. See that in there? Nice. Foam, lots of foam. And the other one. Doesn't appear to be any instructions, but that's what you have me for. All right, so before we go outside and install these puppies, which should be pretty easy, looks like it's just a few 10mm bolts that I have to unscrew out of my truck, pull the old light out, and put the new light in. So a few things about this light. This has 36 watts of power, and the voltage is like most, between 9 and 32 volt, DC of course, and it's a 3-piece LED bulb. You can see it, maybe you can see it right in this dome right here. You see that little projector? It's right inside that projector. And of course, being so low to the ground, or being a headlight at all, you want it to be waterproof, and it has an IP67 rating. The heat sink is made out of die-cast aluminum. See those fins back there? Help keep it cool. So this should just be plug and play for my 1500 RAM. This will work with 2013 to 2018 RAMs. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in my description. Sorry, Rebel owners, this won't fit your truck. Dude, quit your yammering and give the people what they want. If I'm as good as I think I am, this is gonna take probably 15 whole minutes to install. Let's get to it. All right, let's get this thing popping. There's enough light out here. It keeps getting darker and darker, earlier and earlier, so I'm gonna try to make this work, baby. I'm gonna pop my hood. Of course, you don't need to do that. Hopefully I'll get more light inside through the engine bay. All right, first thing we're gonna do, remove the fog light. Now remember, I said it takes a few 10mm bolts you're gonna remove from the back side, and I'm gonna show you that with my little mini camera. Bam! Look how sweet that is. Grab yourself a ratchet. An extension will be helpful, and 10mm. If you have a creeper, it'd be mighty helpful. If not, grab yourself an old blanket. All right, guys, this is a really tight spot to get a camera. Here goes. All right, you see that? Those are the 10mm bolts. Right there, it's 3 of them. First thing you're gonna wanna do is disconnect the power source. Pull this tab back and then pull down. Done. I'm gonna start with the top. Now the bottom left. bottom right. And bada bing. And then pull it out through the back. Oh. Holy crap. Can you see how damaged this is? There's like no chrome left in there. Well, there's a little bit. Maybe a full turn is what I did. Let's plug her up, see if she works. All right, now for the real test. See if this puppy lights up. Now, just repeat that process on the other side, and then I'll give you a night shot. I want to show you guys the difference of the look. That's the stock one. That's the new one, baby. Blacked out. Now on to the other side. Man, the sun goes down way too fast now. Better get rolling. Now, I know I'm gonna ramp this footage up for you guys, but this legit, without having to film myself, took 60 seconds to uninstall.
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, or at least were entertained by it, or learned a little something, or whatever. So on my previous video, I asked you guys if you wanted me to keep this or shave it, and most of you said shave it. So that's exactly what I did. If you want to stay a few minutes after this portion of the video, I'm gonna do a little ramp up of me shaving my head and cutting my beard. It's up to you guys, just a little something I wanted to throw at the end of it. At any rate, I appreciate you watching all the way through, and live your best life.
Big Daddy.
And here it goes. Take 969. Doesn't appear to be any ice cream, anybody? You guys are breaking the speed limit.